right. Clean this off as good as you can there. And the bearings too. Now, inside here there is a bearing set at the bottom. I can't pull it out. It feels like it's been pressed in there. There is no coming out, so I'm going to leave that one in there. And we're just going to start packing some grease in there. I don't think it matters what type of grease you use, honestly. If I was doing greasing up bearings for like a tractor or something, that's one thing. This here is just, it's a tire swing. I mean, really, what's going to be on it? A few 100 pounds, kids having a great time, swinging back and forth, spinning around and around. So I don't take it too seriously, okay? I mean, put it together so it doesn't come apart, because you don't want the kids to get hurt or anything. I mean, honestly, I'm hoping people have like common sense judgment, but lately, judging on comments I've had from other videos, you don't. So if you're one of the people that doesn't have the common sense and good judgment, don't subscribe. Just go watch somebody else. I'm not offended. All right, I'm gonna slide this on here, and then we're gonna press this right over top into the grease and everything. This is fun. Don't worry about this stuff, man. Down it goes. Okay. I love this. I don't like grease. I went to trade school to be a mechanic, an industrial mechanic. So working with hydraulics, pneumatics, PLC systems, stuff like that. So it didn't take me long into that trade to discover that I've got this horrendous allergic reaction to petroleum products. So, hydraulic oil, especially hydraulic oil, grease, gasoline, pretty much any solvents. Well, everybody does, I think, to a certain extent. And so it makes me break out all over. And so I shouldn't be wearing these types of gloves. I should be wearing the ones that nothing goes through, because it irritates the skin. Something horrible. Okay, so enough about me. Don't make it about you. When you get to this point, start screwing on this castle nut. And here's how we're going to do this. I'm just going to turn it on, tighten it on. I'm going to tighten it on until it's snug, like that. It's snug. Still turns. I'm pulling up and down different directions of it, and if there's any play in it, tighten it down just a bit more, right? I'm gonna go even a bit more, because there's gonna be a load on it, right? So that's okay there. So you can put your cotter pin back in if it's in good shape. If it's not in good shape, don't waste your effort. Get a new one, put it in, right? Push it in all the way. There we go. And then that's it. That's not going to go anywhere. And then you can put your cap back on. All right. Awesome.